Hello, in situations when we want to select objects with the same color or shape, we use the Find and Replace tool. It can be enabled by pressing the plus button on the right and selecting it from the list. Once opened, we need to select an object, in this example a square, and press button named from Selection. This will copy the object's properties like color, outline, and shape, in this case a square. Then we can scroll through the object that match these properties. By changing one object's corner properties, it will no longer be eligible for a selection. To fix that, we need to click Edit Query and disable the Rectangles option. We will keep Pantone 715 from Document Palette and no Outline option on. Now we are able to scroll through all objects that have a property of Pantone 715 and no outline. With the button Find All, we are able to select all at once. If we want to select just Pantone 5473, we just need to change the object fill. Hope this helped.